Robots are already patrolling the streets, and it's just the beginning. AI has progressed so much in so little time that believing the world will be full of robots in less than 10 years is no longer a wild prediction, it's a certainty. Just a few days ago, Thailand unveiled the world's first humanoid AI police robot, and this isn't some distant prototype or concept, it's already patrolling the streets. This marks a pivotal moment in the integration of artificial intelligence into public safety and raises profound questions about the future of policing worldwide. In April 2025, during Thailand's vibrant Songkran festival, their traditional New Year celebration, known for massive water fights, the Royal Thai Police rolled out something completely unexpected. AI Police Cyborg 1.0, officially named Polkol Nakhon Pathom Plod Phai, which translates to Nakhon Pathom is safe. Now just a towering robot officer dressed in the same dark blue uniform as human police, standing guard on Tonson Road in Muang district of Nakhon Pathom province. While the robot can't walk independently yet, it's stationed on a wheeled platform. What it lacks in mobility, it makes up for with extraordinary surveillance capabilities. The AI Police Cyborg isn't just a fancy camera on wheels. It's equipped with smart 360-degree AI cameras that don't simply record footage, they analyse it in real time. This robotic officer integrates live footage from surrounding CCTV cameras and even drone surveillance, processing everything through sophisticated AI technology built directly into its system. All this visual data feeds directly to the province's command and control centre, creating a comprehensive surveillance network that can monitor large crowds with unprecedented efficiency. During the Songkran festival, where thousands gather to celebrate by splashing water on each other, this technology was put to its first major test. What makes this robot truly remarkable is its suite of AI-powered features. The facial recognition technology can identify high-risk individuals in real time by cross-referencing faces with a database of known offenders. If someone on a watch list appears in the crowd, human officers receive an immediate alert. But it doesn't stop there. The system can track suspects through dense crowds using multiple parameters, not just facial features, but clothing colour, body type, and even gender. This makes it nearly impossible for someone to disappear into a crowd once they've been flagged. Perhaps most impressive is the robot's ability to distinguish between actual threats and harmless objects. During Songkran, where water guns are a festival staple, the AI was programmed to ignore these while still detecting genuine weapons like knives, wooden sticks, and other potentially dangerous items. The robot also monitors behaviour patterns, looking for signs of violence or disruption. Fighting, shoving, or other aggressive actions trigger alerts, allowing human officers to respond before situations escalate. Now, if you think that RoboCops are the latest revolution in AI, make sure to watch the video shown on your screen to learn how the scientists even have created robot with veins. Coming back, we should say this isn't just a police project, it's a collaborative effort between Provincial Police Region 7, Nakhon Pathom Provincial Police, and Nakhon Pathom Municipality. According to the Royal Thai Police's Facebook announcement, this marks the beginning of a new era in tech-enhanced public safety, particularly for managing large events where traditional policing resources can be stretched thin. A police spokesperson described the AI Police Cyborg as a force multiplier that never tires and maintains constant vigilance. In crowded environments like festivals, where maintaining security with human officers alone is challenging, this technology offers a solution that could potentially transform public safety operations. Robotic law enforcement is rapidly gaining traction across the globe, with countries racing to deploy AI-powered police robots on their streets. In the United States, police departments are rolling out a new generation of advanced robotic units, like the K5 robot by Nightscope, which patrols public spaces such as parks, parking lots, and transit stations. These robots are equipped with 360-degree cameras, thermal imaging, and real-time data transmission, allowing them to detect suspicious activity, recognise license plates, and even interact with the public through two-way communication systems. The K5 has been credited with reducing crime rates in some areas, though its use has also sparked debates about privacy and operational limitations, especially in places like New York City, where mobility challenges led to discontinued pilot programs. Meanwhile, China is pushing the boundaries with robots like the PM-01 humanoid patrol bot in Shenzhen, which can engage with pedestrians and respond to voice commands, and the RTG spherical robot capable of patrolling both land and water, deploying non-lethal measures to apprehend suspects. Europe is not far behind, with France's Thalamus robot patrolling sensitive sites autonomously, even on difficult terrain. These innovations highlight a global shift toward integrating robotics into law enforcement, promising enhanced efficiency and safety, but also raising important questions about oversight, ethics, and public acceptance as these machines become a more common sight in our cities. While Thailand's robotic officer is making headlines, it's just one example of how AI and robotics are transforming various sectors globally. Let's look at some other remarkable developments happening simultaneously. Disney Research recently unveiled a humanoid robot that can read and reflect human emotions in real time. Using a sophisticated two-part AI model, these robots can mirror your shyness, excitement, or friendliness almost instantly, creating more natural human-robot interactions. In Beijing, the world's first human versus humanoid half-marathon just took place, with 21 bipedal robots competing against 10,000 human runners. While the fastest human completed the 21-kilometer course in just over an hour, the speediest robot, Tiangong Ultra, took 2 hours and 40 minutes. Some robots even fell over at the starting line, highlighting that while impressive, bipedal robot technology still has a long way to go. Las Vegas is preparing to open Autonomous, the world's first fully AI-operated hotel. With 550 rooms, each spanning 856 square feet, this hotel uses AI systems that learn guest preferences and generate personalized avatars during digital check-in. 2 patented AI engines, FRO for reservations and K for room access and virtual assistants, eliminate the need for traditional front desk staff. Meanwhile, in the less glamorous but equally important world of supply chains, Ocado's on-grid robotic pick system, OGR, is revolutionizing grocery fulfillment. In 2024 alone, these robotic arms picked over 30 million individual items in Ocado's warehouses, using computer vision, reinforcement learning, and behavior cloning to handle everything from delicate strawberries to awkwardly shaped jars. Returning to our main topic, the emergence of robotic police officers raises important questions about the future of law enforcement. While the technology offers clear advantages, tireless surveillance, rapid threat detection, and the ability to process vast amounts of visual data, it also presents challenges. Privacy concerns are at the forefront. The deployment of facial recognition technology in public spaces raises questions about surveillance overreach and data protection. In Thailand, where law enforcement has faced accusations of corruption and bribery, the implementation of such powerful surveillance tools demands careful oversight. There's also the question of reliability. How accurate is the facial recognition system? Could innocent people be misidentified as threats? What happens if the system malfunctions during a critical situation? These are questions that will need to be addressed as the technology evolves. Despite these concerns, the potential benefits are significant. In large-scale events where maintaining security is challenging, robotic officers could help prevent crime and respond more quickly to emergencies. They could also free up human officers for tasks requiring empathy, judgment, and complex decision-making, qualities that AI still can't replicate. The introduction of AI Police Cyborg 1.0 represents more than just a technological novelty. It signals a fundamental shift in how we approach public safety. As these systems become more sophisticated, we may see them deployed in cities worldwide, working alongside human officers to create safer public spaces. The key will be finding the right balance, leveraging the strengths of AI while recognizing its limitations. Robotic officers excel at data processing, pattern recognition, and tireless surveillance, but they lack human judgment, empathy, and the ability to navigate complex social situations. The most effective approach will likely be a hybrid model, where AI systems handle surveillance and threat detection, while human officers make final decisions about intervention and enforcement. This partnership between human and artificial intelligence could potentially transform policing, making it more efficient while preserving the human element essential to community trust. Thailand's AI Police Cyborg 1.0 represents a watershed moment in the evolution of law enforcement technology. While still in its early stages, this robotic officer offers a glimpse into a future where AI and human intelligence work together to enhance public safety. As we witness these developments, it's important to engage in thoughtful discussion about the implications. How do we balance security with privacy? What safeguards should be in place to prevent misuse? How do we ensure that these technologies serve the public good rather than enabling overreach? These are questions we'll need to grapple with as robotic policing moves from novelty to normalcy. One thing is certain, the future of law enforcement has arrived, and it looks very different from what we've known before. What do you think about robotic police officers? Are they a promising development for public safety, or do they raise too many concerns? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more cutting-edge tech updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.